I had these old pair of jean shorts that the zipper broke, and I'm going to cut out the back pocket using my pinking shears. I found this patriotic wind blazer for $3 at the Dollar General. I'm going to take it out of the package, and I'm going to hot glue my denim pocket to the top of this flag. I'm going to add my own rope because the hanger here is a little delicate and I wasn't sure how long it would hold. So I first added the rope and then I did eventually remove the red hanger. I glued down the rest of the pocket in the front, and then I'm going to cover the back with some black felt. You can many times find this black felt right at the Dollar Tree or at most craft stores. And I'm just going to glue it down with some hot glue. And I just laid the full panel down and then went in with some pinking shears and cut around the shape of the back pocket so you won't see it from the front. But at least we'll have a finished look on the back side. I found this scarf at the Dollar Tree. I just love the colors. You could use a bandana. And I'm just going to cut a little portion from the top, fold it, and put it in my denim pocket. And you can start filling your pocket with whatever items you may have. I'm going to add this tassel garland here. I picked up that at the Dollar Tree. I found this burlap bow at Walmart. I found this white metal star. It came in a set of 2 at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue that to the top of the burlap bow. And then tuck the beaded hanger into the pocket. Then I found this greenery. These are just ferns from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add them inside my pocket. And then I'm going to add the spray of berries. I had a full spray and I just took a few strands off, and I'm going to put them inside the pocket as well. I felt like my flag was a little too long, so I just cut off a few inches, and I was really happy with this. I think it's adorable, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkatofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkatofancy.com. Thank you so much.